This is a CISCO modeling lab. Before it is paid one, now also it is paid, but before you cannot use until you paid, but now they give you to use up to 5 devices free of cost. If you want to use more than 5 devices, then you need to purchase the license. So now I don't want to use more than 5 devices. I can use only this 5 devices only. So it will no need to purchase any license in this one, CISCO CML. So I log in here, and if you see how to install, I will show you later. This is very simple. I have one video you can follow and do. If you struck anywhere, I will teach you. So whatever the username password we set there, we will log in, and then you will go here inside, and we can add here, click add. So after that you can take the router here. This is the router, just drag and keep here, and drag one more router and keep here. And if you want to power on, you can power on also here. And if you want to change the name of the device, just select and go here, give the name. Example, I will give this one is a R1. And if you want to do same thing here, you can give here this one like a R2. And after that, what we can do, we can connect also. If you want to connect this router, click here, add a link, and go here, add a link. So it will add it here, the link. Now example, if you want to put like whatever the subnet you want to assign here, in between you can put the label also. This A, click there and click here and type here like you want to use 192.168.12.0/24. Whatever subnet you want to use, you can put here, and you can move like this anywhere, wherever you want to move. After that, what we need to do, we need to give the name or IP. You can give the name or IP. If you want to draw any shape, I think you can draw like this by selecting this one. So I can move like here, because this will be area 0. I will move this here. Anywhere we can keep, that is up to us. Yeah, so this one here, if you want to move this again, you can move like this wherever you want to move. And we will say I have another area, that is area 1. So I can draw like this. I can say this is the area 1 here. And here what you want to use, example, you can just click this A and go here, click and type here whatever you want. Example, I can say this is the area. I can type here, let me write here, okay, or let me type here, and then I can take there. So I will write this is the area 1, and I can write loopback 0 here, loopback 0, whatever the IP 172.16.1.1/24, and we can copy and paste like this here. I can copy and paste here in this place. I can change this one, loopback 0, loopback 1, loopback 2, loopback 3, and this will be 1, then 2, this should be 3, this should be 4. Okay, you can use whatever you need. I taken this one, and if you want to make this bold, you can select this all, and there is option here, click this bold, so it will be bold. So this what I can do, I can select and move this here, somewhere here. Wherever you want to put, you can increase this size also if you want to increase. Okay, so now this one is okay, and here I can move this text here. This one we are using, so I can put somewhere here. There is option also, we can bring the front also, but anyhow let me keep, so we can save the time instead of doing this all. So this is just to have the idea. So what we can say, this one is okay, and yeah, we can use, this is sufficient for us. I already power on. We can take the console, right click and click console and open this one, and right click, click console. Most of the lab, whatever is not working in GNS or EVENG, here it is supporting. So this is like a real images from the CISCO, but here also there is some limitation, some commands we cannot run, but no worries. Now let me go here I will save this and I will start the new notepad. Here we will do the configuration. I can write here like R1 configuration. Okay, then enable config T host name R1 interface E0 by 0 IP address 192.168.whatever 255.255.255.0 no shut. Then interface loopback 0 and IP address 172.16.1.1 255.255.255.0, and then you have interface loopback 1 IP address 172.16.2.1 255.255.255.0, or let me copy and paste so we can save the time here. I will copy and paste here. Okay, then I will copy and paste. 1 we told, so this should be 2 and here should be 3. This should be 3 and here should be 4. This should be 4 and here should be 5, or anything you need 5. 4 is sufficient, I think this much is enough. So starting we can take 1.1 till 4.1. This is enough. So now what you need to do, you need to make this router as a area border router. If you want to make the area border router, you need to make 2 different area connecting to area 0. So here you need to have the area 0. So I can write here, this is area. Here you can write, this is the place to write area 0. Okay, highlight. If you want to increase, change the font size, change whatever font size you like here. If you want to increase whatever you want to do, you can do, and move this here wherever you want to keep. Okay, so now configuration we done. Now we need to enable the OSPF here. Okay, we need to enable the OSPF. How we will enable the OSPF? Same thing as we done before. You can use the network command, you can use the interface method, anyone you can use. In real world we are using the network command only in our projects, whatever we are doing in the company. So we will use the same thing, router OSPF 1, then interface E0 by 0. After that IP OSPF 1 area. This is area, this interface are in area 0. Okay, but all these interface are in area 1. So I will write here interface loopback 0 IP OSPF 1 area 1. Okay, now I can copy this. I can write this here 3 times we need to put, I think. So this should be 1 loopback 1. This is loopback 2 and you have loopback 3 also. So I will go here, I will put this is a loopback 3. Okay, all are area 1 in this side. Instead of all area you can just write A also, it will accept. If you write like this A, you can write your wish. If you want to write full, you can write full. If you want to write only A, OSPF will understand, router will understand that one. So here the configuration is good. Okay, what else is missing? Area 0, area 1, area 1, area 1, everything is good here. R1 configuration is done successfully. Let's copy and paste and check, do we have any issue or we will get any error. Let me go here, click here so you can access the console of R1. I will paste here, right click and click paste. Okay, and it will pasting, and you can go here up and check if we have any error here. Nothing, everything is good here. Okay, you are not getting any error. So R1 is good. Now you can do the R2 configuration. So I will go here, I will divide this notepad and then I will write here R2. So let me copy and paste this one only so we can modify. I will copy this much from there here. This will be R2, this will be R2, this should be 2. Okay, so here I will go and here I will write here. and OSPF we did not configure, so we need to do OSPF also. So I will write here router OSPF1 interface F whatever the E is 0 by 0 IP OSPF1 area 0. Okay, I will copy this and I will paste here and check here what we have any error here? Nothing, right? Here we change the name here. Again we put this command, so no worries for that one. This one is okay. Okay, everything is good. Now you can check your routing table, show IP route, and check here you are getting this. See, this is the route. Now you can imagine you are getting only 4 routes, but imagine you are getting 4000 route here like this. How big your routing table will be if you receive like this 4000 route? So this will be problem for your router. It is going to eat lot of RAM, CPU, bandwidth. So what we will do? We will say if they are in the sequence and we can do the summarization, better do the summarization and send me that one. No need to send 4000 route. In lab I am taking only 4 route, but imagine in real world you are getting from different places and it is coming to you 4000 routes. So instead of that one we can do the summarization and we can send only summarized route. That will be good. How we will do that one? As I told, let me write here the procedure. Directly you can go to the Google and you can write summarization calculator and then you can do that one. But anyhow, I will write here calculating calculation or calculating, I can write calculating the summarize route. And now we can write first IP, means first subnet what we have here. This one is the first subnet network ID, and then last subnet. Last subnet is this one. Okay. Then after that you will write this in the hexadecimal format, binary format. But this digit 172 is same. So I will write same as it is what you have, but this one here and here is 4 is different. So here I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, in binary I am writing, then dot 0. Each block is having 8 bit, so I wrote here 8 bit. Then I need to do the same thing for the second one. So 172.16.4 you have, so 4 you will write 0 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 dot, last one is 0 here also, network ID, this one. So here just what you will do, you will convert this one into binary. If you don't know how to convert, use the calculator, or if you type in the Google they will convert and give you, or the table which I shown you just now in the notes, you can use that table. So we converted here, and now what we will say, these are common, both are common, so this one will be 8, total bit is 8 plus, then these both are common, so I will write 8, then plus, and here see what bit is common, till here is common, after that here is 0, here is 1, so this one 1 2 3 4, you have 4 or what, 1 2 3 4. So 4 bit is common here, or 5 bits. So 1, maybe I do some mistake here. Yeah, this one is not, this will be 0 here and here will be 1. Because you need to write like this. Example here 8 4 2 1. So if you want to write 1 here, 0 0 0. So here 2 0, then 1, then 0. So now you need to count how many bits are same. So this one 1 2 3, this one is 3 4, after that 4 5. So 5 bits are same, so we can write here 5 plus 5 here. Okay, so if you add here 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21, so you will get here 21. This is a new subnet mask. If you want to write this 21 into slash value, that is 255 in the 255 format. You can write 255.255.248.0. How you will write? See here, this one 8-bit means 255, 8-bit means 255, and 5 means you can add the same thing as I shown you before. Like if you want to do something changes, this table you will use, you will have 128 here, 128 plus 128 64 32 16 8 4 2 1. So here if you have 5 here, if you see this 5, you will add 1 2 3 4 5. You will add 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8, you will have 248. So this will, and then dot 0. So this will be what you have here, 8-bit. This will be the new subnet mask, summarized subnet mask. So what will be the summarized subnet mask? I will write here. I will write summarize .255.255.248.0 here, and network ID, what you will write? Network ID, this you will remove this, you will write 172. You will put here 172.16.0.0, this one. So how you need to, what you need to do now? Now if you want to put this in the OSPF, here you will write this command in the R1. Here you will go and at last you will put that command. What command you will put? You will put area. What is that area? 1. This area is 1 here, this one. So area 1, range you need to write range and write that 172.16.0.0. Give space, subnet mask you need to write. That's all. If you put this command, this all routes whatever you are getting here 4, it will come only 1. So I will copy. I will go to the R1, and if you want to check here, you can write like this. If you want to filter only OSPF route, you can see this all are coming from OSPF, from different area. Now I can put this command here. I can go here, router OSPF 1, then I can put that command here. Okay, I done that one. So this command should be inside the OSPF. So router OSPF 1 you need to write, and then you need to put that command. After that, go here and check here. Before, how many routes you are getting? You can see here you are getting these 4 routes. Now you are getting only 1 route. Okay, so your routing table is reduced, and you can ping whatever subnet you have, 172.168.1.1, it will work. You have, sorry, I put 168. This should be 16, not the 8. Okay, here whatever the routes you have, here this 172.16.1.1. So here I will remove 16 we have. So see here 172.16.1.1 it is working, and then you have 2.1 it is also working, then you have 3.1 it is working, then you have 4.1 it is working. Okay, all the network whatever you have, it is working everything, but your routing table reduce, routing table size reduce. Maybe you will say what is the use, because we have only 4 routes, but in real world you will have 4,000 routes or 8,000 routes coming from different branches, different office in the big company. So we will reduce this way. So our routing table size will be reduced. So let me